How to answer or decline calls using Siri on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. On this page, tap on Talk to Siri. You can choose how you want to activate Siri from here. For example, Siri or Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Siri or Hey Siri. Then, turn on the Press Side button for Siri feature below. After that, go back to the previous page and turn on the Allow Siri when locked feature as shown. Enter your passcode to continue. As you can see, you can now accept or decline any incoming call using Siri. Following these steps, you can easily answer or decline calls using Siri on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.